What is going on YouTube, and welcome back. Okay, so today we got a pretty cool experiment, bit different to what I do on my channel, but behind me we are going to do home remedies versus dedicated rust converters. So we have beer. Interesting, I know, it's not going to go to waste, don't worry. We got a dedicated rust converter. That was quite expensive. We have a much cheaper rust converter. We got Coca Cola, what a classic. A much cheaper Coca Cola. It's just called Cola, L-A-S Cola. We got Sunkist, just because. We got a variety of rusty tools. They all got more or less the same amount of rust on each other. So we're going to leave them down for 24 hours. And to see how they go. Alrighty, it has now been 24 hours. Man, that went so fast. Not really. I haven't looked at how everything's going to go. It's going to be first time reaction, so let's have a look. What? No way. Let me just move that. What the heck is going on here? Oh, jeez. Hey, that's... Oh, that is so rank. What? These are stuck together. What the hell? Alright. Man, the beer just smells really bad. Whoa. Yeah, got that nice crusty layer happening. Oh, yuck. Oh yeah, still dissolving. I'm not sure if it's dissolving the metal now or it's well, the rust is on the bottom, but what's going on? Interesting. Alright, well, we'll get everything out and see what it looks like. I am absolutely shocked by how interesting the results are. As you can see here, I've labelled them all the way up here. And the one that really takes my eye is beer. Beer really did a good job. We'll go with the Rust Buster. It's done a pretty good job, I believe. It's done what it's supposed to do. Let's turn this one black. The cheaper rust converter did a pretty good job. I actually think it done a better job than Rust Buster. All the fizzy drinks didn't really do as best as I thought. It did a little bit. And same with this Allen key bit here. Like a very tiny bit, but you can't even tell the difference. LA Ice did the same. Yeah, it did okay, but still not good. And Sunkist actually just ended up turning them black. I don't know why, but it did a better job than Coca Cola. So, interesting results. Alrighty guys, so I'm absolutely shocked by the results on what we got today. Beer turned out absolutely really good, to be honest. It did a really good job, better than the actual Rust Buster brand, which might I point out, this and this is the same price. You get 2 litres in this and 250 milliliters in this, and seriously guys, just let it sit in there for longer. But thank you so much again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ew, look what's at the bottom of this. Ugh. Thanks, Rust Converter.